It's been a long, long time. I've always been inside, but I know I've left your mind. Oh, don't worry, I'm still here through all that we've been through. And though you have run away, my arms were meant to hold you. Our time together seems too short. Am I not enough for you? Am I not all that important to pay attention to? I mean, after all I've given, the very breath you breathe, and the time that you treasure, can you give some back to me? So don't ask me why I love you, you just have to know that I do. And soon enough you'll see the work I'm doing.